Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to migrate from Draw.io for Confluence over to Capable or Capable Diagrams for Confluence. Capable Diagrams and Capable has compatibility with Draw.io, and using a single click you can actually migrate that data across to Capable and keep all of your diagrams on the page exactly where you expect. So in this video I'm going to show you just how easy that is to do. So let's jump in. So here I have a Confluence page with a couple of Draw.io diagrams on. You can see here I have a cloud architecture diagram. I have an AWS architecture diagram. And on this page, I also have a board, a Draw.io board. So slightly different to the diagram, but the same concept here. And I'm going to show you now how you can migrate over to Capable, and you can save lots of money and keep all the features that you know and love. So let's install Capable first of all. So on the left here, if you go to the apps section and you click explore more apps, and in this search bar, we just type Capable in. And you can choose from either the all-in-one suite, which includes things like approvals, calendars, diagrams, of course, Markdown, and lots more, things like formatting. Or you can pick just the Diagrams app, and the functionality is identical between the two with regards to diagrams. So let's pick the Capable for Confluence app here. Click Try it for free, Review, and then start the free trial. And now that's installed, what we can do is we can go to the Get Started section here using this button. And now on this page, what we need to do is we need to click onto the migration tab here, and this will open up the migration screen here. So what this lets us do is see all of the products that we support migrating from their app across to Capable. So what we want to do is select the Draw.io diagrams for Confluence. And as you can see here, it's detected that we have two pages with Draw.io diagrams on them, one page with the diagram macro and another page with the board. So that corresponds to the pages I showed you earlier. So we simply tick these boxes, and we can choose here either to, with additive mode, we can keep the existing Draw.io diagrams and just add the Capable ones underneath. Or if we leave this disabled, this will actually remove those Draw.io diagrams. So now that I've selected those and I don't want to keep the Draw.io diagrams, I can click Validate. And what this is going to do is just go through those pages and detect whether or not we can migrate them or not. So as you can see, it's successfully detected the three macros, and we just click Start Migration. And there you go, it's finished migrating those pages. So why don't we take a look and see what those pages look like now. So there you go. As you can see, we've kept our diagrams here, but these are no longer Draw.io diagrams. These are actually Capable diagrams now. So we can click on here, we can click Edit. And you can see we still have all of that existing diagram data here, and it's kept everything exactly how it was before. And we still have all the power of the editor here. So we can easily drag new things on, and we can update those diagrams on the page. And there you go. You can see we've updated that diagram there. And similarly, on the ideas board here, our ideas board, which was a Draw.io board macro, has also been migrated straight across to Capable diagrams now. So as you can see, it's really easy to migrate your data across, and you don't lose any of the important stuff as you'd expect. Unlike Draw.io, Capable provides you with every single diagram library you need, and it doesn't constrain you to just using that one approach. So if you want to use more advanced diagrams, then we don't get in your way, and we provide access to the broadest range of diagrams on the marketplace right now. The last thing to note is that this is available not only for Confluence, but we also have this feature available for Jira in the Diagrams for Jira app. So I encourage you to give it a go, and Obviously, you can bring across your Draw.io diagrams and keep all of that really good information there while upgrading your experience to a much more fully featured product. Hope you have a great day. See you soon.